Here are 5 financial moves I'm making before the end of the year to try to save some money on taxes and also build for a strong financial future. So number 1, a state of Ohio 529 contribution. So if you live in the state of Ohio and you use their 529 plan, you can deduct up to $4,000 of a contribution into the 529 plan against your state income taxes. Keeping in mind, 529s can be used for K through 12 and also for college. And that $4,000 can be used per beneficiary. So if you have multiple children, it can be used for each child. If you have multiple grandchildren, it can be used for each grandchild. The second thing I'm doing is making sure to max out the company 401k plan all the way up to the employee contribution amount of $23,500. So that $23,500 needs to be contributed into the 401k plan before the end of the year. If you make an employer contribution, that can be done later, as you can have all the way up until tax time to make that employer contribution. The third thing is looking at the Catholic Education Foundation SGO giving. So SGO giving is something that you can do you can convert some of your state taxes that you would owe for the state of Ohio. You can give directly to any Catholic school that you would wish. So this is something that you're either going to pay the state the taxes on, or you can pay a Catholic school of your choosing. So doing that up to $750 per individual. So myself, I can give $750, and then Laura, my wife, she can give an additional $750 as well. The fourth thing I'll be looking to do is a backdoor Roth conversion. So setting up a traditional IRA, making the maximum Roth IRA making the maximum traditional IRA contribution into that, making sure that that's a non-deductible contribution into that traditional IRA. Taking that money, making that contribution, then making another one come January 1st, and then converting that all at once into a Roth IRA. And the last thing, which is a bonus thing for small business owners, something to keep in mind if you employ children, or maybe you employ nieces, nephew, whoever that might be throughout the year, you can give them up to $599 and not have to file a 1099 for that person. So if you're looking for some extra help, or if you had some extra help in your business throughout the year, keep in mind you can reduce your taxes by a little bit, and also you can pay that person for doing that work that you employed them to do. And as long as it's below that $600 amount, you do not have to file a 1099 for that. So there's 5 things I'm looking to do before the end of the year to keep in mind. If you have questions on any of those, feel free to reach out.